Hello, trading is closed on February 11th, 2019. We'll go over our calls in just a minute. I'm not certain I'll be able to do a video tomorrow. I'll try to. And by the end of the week, I hope to be back at full steam. Anyway, my last call looked for higher prices, which we got. We got a lower target. Thought it probably wouldn't print, and it didn't. Looked for the pattern with the early high, which we got. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Tends to have a late high, be an all-day rally, be a positive day. Only time it isn't in general is if it drops early in the first 1 to 2 hours. In the middle of the day, MEJT gave a sell that worked and has been satisfied. Well, this was a reversal signal, as I said, on Friday, because we gapped down, took out all these lows, couldn't hold on to the lows or even the highs. Here we had a day which tended to be a down day, but once again couldn't hold on to the lows. As long as we hold on to these early tomorrow, I view it as a positive pattern and think we'll see higher prices. So tomorrow's call, we look for the pattern with the early low and the late high. We look for higher prices. The one thing that would kill it would be dropping early, but if we can avoid an early drop, early gap down in particular under these lows, which kills everything, if we can avoid that, we should see higher prices tomorrow, and that's today's call.